Okay, this is a video explaining something I made for my cousin's house. I will be installing a fire alarm system there, and I'll be talking to you about what I made. So first, I have just my BG12 and my integrity, just basic setup. There, and then the panel I made is right here. It says neck extender, but it's not going to be. I'm just going to take that output fire alarm panel. Inside, very simple power supply, silent switch, and terminal block. And this is the high power. I don't think this camera would focus very well. No, it doesn't focus that well. Now the alarm I'm going to be using, since this is out of the country, it's in Mexico, I'm going to be using a Wheelock AS, RSS, and a Genesis strobe. The pull stations are going to be all BG8s, and I'm going to... That smoke detector, she actually bought it off me. Believe it or not, she bought it off me. She paid $15, I think. Yeah, $15 for it. I'll probably buy another detector. Oh, by the way, the system has not changed yet. So, it is standalone. I think it's on. Yeah, it is. Okay, I'm just going to leave the cabinet door open. So, and I'm also using my mom's new phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy. I'm not so sure if it's the S1 or S2, because if you see in the reflection, it has a case. So, here we go. Put it down. No audible silence, because code does not allow that. Reset the pull station. And then, if you were to cut power, like how I cut it there, and you want to drain out that, just pull the station again, and the light goes out. Yeah, this is a capacitor-based transformer, because it actually only outputs, like, I think 2 volts on its own, and then you use a capacitor to fully output the whole voltage. I don't know why, it's like really crappy. But I got it for free, so I can't complain. So, that's about it. Gonna plug this panel back in. I had to unplug it for this. Okay, that's it.